What are consumer protection laws for insurance? Have you ever wondered how consumer protection laws work in the world of insurance? These laws are designed to shield you from unfair practices by insurance companies. They vary from state to state, as the federal government mostly leaves insurance regulation to individual states. When it comes to car insurance, these laws play a vital role in ensuring that you are treated fairly and have access to the coverage you need. First off, let's talk about state regulation. Insurance is primarily governed at the state level. This means each state has its own rules and regulations that dictate how insurance companies operate, including car insurance. These laws determine what types of coverage must be offered and how insurers can conduct their business. Now, what about your rights as a consumer? You have the right to purchase insurance without facing discrimination based on factors like gender, race, or ethnicity. This ensures that everyone has equal access to car insurance, no matter their background. Consumer protection laws also prohibit deceptive and fraudulent practices by insurers. This includes things like false advertising, misrepresenting policy terms, and failing to pay legitimate claims. You deserve to have a clear understanding of what your policy entails and to receive the benefits you are entitled to. When it comes to car insurance, states often requiring certain types of coverage. For example, bodily injury liability and property damage liability are commonly mandated. These coverages protect you from financial loss if you are involved in an accident. Additionally, you can choose optional coverages like uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage, which offer extra protection if the other party does not have enough insurance. Insurance companies are also required to handle claims fairly and promptly. This means they must investigate claims thoroughly and pay out legitimate claims without unnecessary delays. If you feel that your claim is not being handled properly, you have the right to question it. Another important aspect is consumer reports. If an insurance company uses consumer reports, such as credit scores or driving records, to underwrite policies, they must comply with federal laws like the Fair Credit Reporting Act. This ensures your data is used responsibly and with your consent. So, how can you make the most of these laws? Start by carefully reviewing your car insurance policy to ensure you have the necessary coverages. Understanding your state's laws and your rights as a consumer can help you make informed decisions. If you suspect any unfair practices by an insurance company, you can report it to your state's insurance department. This helps enforce consumer protection laws and maintain fair market practices. In summary, consumer protection laws for car insurance are essential for ensuring that you are treated fairly and have access to the coverage you need. These laws protect you from deceptive practices and ensure that insurance companies operate transparently and fairly.